Wally, come here. Oh.
Wally, no, you guys can run over. Wally.
Shout out. Good morning. Yes, good morning pa. It's 11:35 a.m. But then it's so hot. Wally, come on in. Close this one. So the glue inside. Oh. Wala. Hika. Go, 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 go.
Go, go, go.
Tawid na, tawid. Wala namang sasakyan eh. Ba't dyan ka? Mahilig kayo sa shortcut. Patay ba? Kuan kayo? Ma-jaywalking kayo. Ah. Kakapoy. Ah. Kainit sa kuan. Uy, panahon uy. Kaloka. Ayan, sasakyan ni Mr. Bean, oh. Ayan, oh, green. Green. Uy. Napagod na yung anak ko eh. Nakalaro sa park. Where is he? Wally, where are you? There's a dog in there. Not only bird. Where's the bird? Over here, Wally. Come on in, baby. Maybe he is tired, I think. Hiningal na yung pusa namin. It's okay to be there. Just keep on calling him, Kuya. Call him, call him. Napagod na si Wally. Ginoo ko. Tanawa lang long, oh. Kapoy na si Wally long. Napagod na siya. Dali na, Wal. Malayo pa yung bahay namin. Kawawa naman. Kuya, kubusan na, kuya. Kubusan. Bring him. Give me that one. Come on. Give me that. He's tired already. Oh my God. Huh? Almost there na. Yeah. Keep on calling. Oh my God. Where is he? Go back. Give me that one. Nandun na. Nauna na sa atin. Tingnan mo. Where is he? Where? Wal, come here. Come on. Oh, come on. Makaakyat siya, diba? Come here na, baby. Oh my God. He is tired, I know. Oh my God. Naghingal na siya, baby ko. Naku. Wawa man si Wally. Agay. Hiningal yung pusa namin. Patay na yan mamaya. Too much walking, kuya. See? He is stomping now. Did you see his stomach? You need to rest a little bit.
Okay,
I told you, you keep it. Get it and...
It's gonna run away.
Gonna run away?
Yeah. You want live?
Yeah, I'm on live.
Who's there?
It's Lee Longo Vlogs, Madam Baby, Primitive. Oh my God, Wally. Sorry about that.